Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the physical setup. Make sure your monitor is on and cables are securely attached. Once done, open Display Settings, right-click the desktop or press Windows plus I and go to System Display. You need to identify which numbered display you're adjusting so you don't change the wrong screen. Also note the current resolution and scale so you can revert if needed, because resolutions affect clarity and interface size differently. Now select the display you want to fix and open the Display Resolution dropdown. Windows marks a recommended setting based on the monitor edited. Choose that setting first because it matches the panel's native pixels. If text is too small, increase scale instead of lowering resolution. After selecting a new resolution, click Apply, then confirm the change within 15 seconds. Make sure to test apps and full-screen video. If you have more than one monitor, repeat these steps per screen. To finish, fine-tune scale and orientation so UI elements and text look correct. Open Advanced Display Settings for refresh rate and color format. If the resolution options are missing or image is distorted, update or reinstall your graphics driver, use Device Manager or the GPU vendor's app. Drivers often fix detection and compatibility problems. If the screen becomes unreadable after a change, boot to safe mode.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.